Sharing and caring can go a long way in establishing an egalitarian, affluent society with peace, progress, and prosperity for the entire mankind. Many people have a mistaken belief that sharing wealth reduces the wealth. On the contrary, I would guarantee you that it will affluence will burgeon for the giver and the taker as well. When you share your wealth, you are bringing out the locked up energies and millions of people who can use this money to create and innovate new things which will add to the kitty of all the people concerned. Caring means we will have to adopt the philosophy of compassion. If we have compassion, there will be no war and violence and crime in the society, and it will assure great peace, progress, and prosperity. Sharing of knowledge. Sharing of knowledge is one of the greatest things one can do. Sharing knowledge will liberate millions and millions of people who are reeling under poverty. Poverty is nothing but the poverty of thinking. So, in order to educate the illiterate, we'll have to spend a lot of money setting up libraries in slums and other lower middle class living habitats. Sharing of wisdom is one more thing which is in abundance in the world, but we are not ready to use them, and we are having all prejudices in the name of religion, race, nation, creed, caste, gender, and whatnot. So these two things, sharing and caring of everything, will create a real paradise on earth, not the one promised after death. We can have a very beautiful and a Garden of Eden on this planet itself. We have to coalesce all our energies, talents, knowledge, wisdom, and wealth to bring about a catharsis in our current human society. Everyone has the potential and unique talents which can be harnessed if everything is shared, and we treat everyone as a microcosm and a spark of divinity. So it's time we shed all our biases and pool all our resources to create a paradise on earth. Thank you.